Greetings fellows, Marcus here, Curator at RHS Bridgewater. I've been asked to provide you with an update as to what we've been up to on site over the last year. So much has gone on, it's difficult to know where to start. I'm stood at the western end of the Paradise Garden at the moment. It's the 1st of October, the first day of our tree planting season. I've just had the privilege of putting in the first pear tree into our heritage collection just over the wall to my left. It'll be the first in 100 trees that are to go in over the next couple of months. All around me, the Paradise Garden, after its first growing season, is absolutely resplendent. The growth has just been phenomenal, the microclimate in here. There are bees that I can see just behind the camera at the moment, buzzing around on salvias, the asters are out, the anemones are glorious, sedums have been fantastic. I can't wait for you and for other visitors to come and see us all next year, because it's just going to be phenomenal when we actually open the doors to this site finally. Across the wider site, Caroline and her team have been working really hard across the Wellbeing Garden, in the community grow gardens. New beds are being constructed all throughout there. The Learning Garden is coming to life at the moment. All the green manures flowered magnificently. We had a sea of Phacelia in just one of the redundant areas, if you like. Even that looked magnificent. The Welcome landscape, again, a Tom Stewart Smith piece, has flowered brilliantly. Tracy and her team have been working hard through the woodlands, getting ready for some tree planting. There's 40 odd trees going in there, another 120 shrubs just through the section beyond the Welcome landscape, all being done this autumn. The Chinese Streamside Garden, we've built a stream. We've connected the historic lake, Ellesmere Water, with the new lake that's directly in front of the Welcome building. Planting will be taking place along there at the top end of the stream and at the bottom end of the stream, again throughout this dormant season, and that will all be available to view when we open in May of next year. Debbie Rowe, our trials officer, has started with us, so she's busy planning all of the trials for next year. We've got Hydrangea paniculata coming in, a whole array of vegetable trials, primula trials, beyond that gooseberry trials, a really exciting backdrop of work, scientific work that's going to take place through the northern frame yard. The wider site, the play areas have gone in, we've got pigs on site, we've got plans to bring in chickens, bees will be coming on site next year. All of the team have been working so hard to get this site ready. Originally it was planned for July the 30th. Unfortunately that deadline moved for us, but the golden lining to it all is that we'll be able to achieve so much more, and the garden will just have that extra growing season for when people come in, and I think the impact is going to be magnificent. We can't wait to welcome you to RHS Bridgewater next year. It's going to be magnificent, and we look forward to seeing you here.